How to log in into OurTime account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into the dating app OurTime online. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to the Google application in your device. Then after navigate to the search bar, there you need to type OurTime.com or simply OurTime. After that, hit the search icon and click on the first website, as that is the official website of the dating app OurTime.com. Once you open, you will see the option of cookies option. So simply click on accept in this prompt. After that, at the top right corner, click on already a member. Then after, you will be directed to a page where you need to provide your email and password to log in into your OurTime account. So simply provide your email and password and click on sign in. So that's all. That is how easily you can sign in into your OurTime dating app account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.